careful conversation about nothing important. Weather, sports, safe topics. But gradually, something shifted. They started asking about my life in a way that felt genuine. About my wife, my plans, not comparing it to Kelsey.
Are you
using
stupid?
it as a segue to ask. It hurt them, losing the home we grew up in. But they admitted it was necessary. They're working on getting their finances stable, learning to live within their means.
Feminism, right? There's only one other person, one male on planet Earth that is as big a kaiju as
Dude, what are you doing?
And it's got Hillary on one side and got Trump on the other side.
No, you're going the wrong way. That way. I saw that happening. I'm like, why are they going so fucking slow?
Why is this a thing?
I don't know. That's crazy.
Fuck that nigga, get it up.
We'll be back later this evening with more news you need to know.
Okay, Carmen. The wrong way, dude. You're going the wrong way. Yelling at me.
he doesn't take no for an answer, and he places a phone call. I am assuming that this person did not say it was a phone call to DC, but said it was.
Make the shop. Not a gift that ends up collecting dust on you. During Lowe's, the separate deal trucks. 2 free Select DeWalt tools. When you buy a Select DeWalt,
You're in the fucking way! Move!
Plus, all rewards members get free standard.
Oh my goodness.
Alright, today's video I'm on I-25 and here comes this fast moving vehicle from the right lane crossing over 2 lanes with no blinker. I guess there was a cop sitting on the overpass running radar, and there he is right there, motor officer. There he is right there. So a little bit of instant justice, I guess.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.